Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a New Year's and January sales haul. Now everything I have in this video I got either on Boxing Day or on New Year's Eve or in January, and I got a hell of a lot of stuff. Now everything was so cheap. Everything I got in Boots was half price. I got stuff from Makeup Revolution. I also got stuff from Victoria's Secret. I got loads of stuff and every single thing was in the sale, and I saved myself a hell of a lot of money. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm hoping this video isn't going to be super long, but I do have a lot of stuff to show you. So if you want to see everything that I got in these sales, then just keep watching. So the first things I'm going to show you are from Makeup Revolution, and I got 3 things. Only one of them wasn't in the sale, but the other 2 were so cheap. So the first thing that I got is this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Defined Full Coverage Foundation. Now this is the only thing I got that wasn't on sale, but they do actually have this on sale at the moment on Superdrug's website, so hop over onto there if you want to get this foundation for money off. And then I also got 2 eyeshadow palettes as well. The first one is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Pro 1, then I also got the Iconic Pro 2. Now these 2 eyeshadow palettes were part of my staple for such a long time. I used to use these all the time. These are also supposed to be dupes of the Lorac Pro palettes as well, which I've seen swatches and they look pretty much exactly the same. So these were some of the first eyeshadow palettes that I got from Makeup Revolution that I absolutely loved, and I just love the colours in here. I love the fact that you also get a brush in here. So usually in the eyeshadow palettes you end up getting these sponge applicators, which no one uses because they just don't work very well. And this is the Iconic Pro 1, so this is what it looks like. It's matte black. I did also do a makeup tutorial using either this one or the Iconic Pro 2, which I'll link somewhere in this video for you so you can check it out. So that is what the eyeshadows look like. They're absolutely stunning. They're very highly pigmented, and this is one of my favourite palettes that I have from Makeup Revolution. It's the only one really that I used to keep dipping into. Also I love the chocolate bar palettes. There's a couple of them from Makeup Revolution that I love. They've brought out so many of them, but I haven't had a chance to try all of them out. And then this one is the Iconic Pro 2. And the packaging is exactly the same as the other one, so you get matte black on the front, the back says Iconic Pro 2, and then the shades in here I actually think I prefer to the Iconic Pro 1, and this is what they look like. So they are absolutely beautiful shades. I love the green in here. It's just such a beautiful shade. You get purples, blues, you get shimmers, you get mattes as well. It's just the perfect eyeshadow palette if you want to create loads of different looks. Also you do have the little thing in there that tells you the names of the shades as well. So these palettes usually retail for £6.99, but they were on offer for £3.50, and I think they're probably getting rid of these, but I really don't want to see them go because they are that good. I recommend going on the Makeup Revolution website for their sale and definitely picking up these because they are so good. So the next place that I went into was Victoria's Secret, and I got some fragrance gift sets because if you guys know, if you're from the UK and you shop on the Victoria's Secret website, you can't get any of the fragrances or body spray shipped over, which is really annoying because they have so many amazing sales on there, so I don't even bother looking when they have the sales on. And then I went into the store and they had these, and I thought these were really good, and one of them is actually a birthday or Christmas present for someone for this year, and I saw it and I was like, they are gonna absolutely love that. So I got 2 fragrance gift sets. The first one is Victoria's Secret Crush, and the person that I'm giving this to, they love this fragrance. This is their favourite fragrance from Victoria's Secret. So I saw this, I think they only had a couple left, and I was like, I really need to get this. This was actually reduced from £25 down to, I believe, £15 or £12.50. So you get the fragrance mist in there, which is 75 millilitres, and you also get a fragrance lotion, which is 100 millilitres. Usually this fragrance is around £15 to £20 each, I believe, and then I basically got a free body lotion. So this is for someone's birthday or Christmas. And then I also got this one for myself because I love this fragrance. I smelled it in the store and I was like, that is absolutely beautiful. And this one is Victoria's Secret fragrance Tease. So again, you get the fragrance mist and you also get the body lotion as well, and this smells gorgeous. This one smells amazing as well. The next place that I went into was Superdrug, and I bought one of my favourite fragrances. Now I know that I have so many perfumes, but I saw that this fragrance was on sale. I used to have it and it's one of my favourites, so I always kept going to, and this is the Britney Spears Fantasy fragrance. This one is 100 millilitres. I love this perfume. I love all of the fantasy perfumes. I think there's probably one of them that I don't like, and that's just because it doesn't really smell fruity, and I love fruity fragrances. Honestly, if you've never tried this before, smell it. It is so good. So I got the 100 millilitres. It was reduced from £40 all the way down to £18, and I've actually seen these in Boots, and these small 30 millilitre ones are £15 on offer at the moment, so I spent an extra £3 and I got the giant size. And the last place that I went into was Boots, and this is a place where I got the majority of my stuff from. Now I went in on Boxing Day with my mum and we saw a few things in town that we absolutely loved, and then I went into the bigger store that is just past the town centre and they had even more stuff, and I was like, oh my god. And I've even seen more stuff that I think I actually want to get anyway, and they still have loads in the store as well. So I'm so excited. I'm going to go in there, spend some more money, but every single thing that I got was half price or a third off, and I saved so much money. So the first thing that I got is from Millie Mackintosh, and this is the Luxe lip kit where you get the matching lip liner, lip lacquer and lipstick, and this is what it looks like. So this one was half price. It was £6.25. You get 3 lip products in here. They're all nude lip products, and I don't think it says the specific name, but every single year she does a kit like this for Christmas, and she does loads of other kits. My friend has been saying how much she loves the body lotions and things like that, but I'm a little bit sensitive with body lotions, so I didn't pick any of those out, but I love my makeup products. So I got this Luxe lip kit. My mum also got the same lip kit. I also picked up another thing from the Millie Mackintosh collection as well, and this is the Highlights Glow and Bronze set. So you get a highlighter, a bronzer in a little compact here, then you also get a brush, and this was £6.25 as well, reduced from £12.50. And I've heard such great things about the makeup from Millie Mackintosh, and I used to have a set sort of like this, and I think it was from W7, and I used to love it. It looks like the Charlotte Tilbury film star bronze and glow that she has, and I've heard it's meant to be really good. I love the fact that you get a brush in there as well. So for £6 I got makeup, I also got a brush as well, and I can't wait to try this out. I will let you guys know how it goes. Then I also saw some things that weren't in there before Christmas, and I was like, so they're just bringing them out now after Christmas and putting them in the sale. Honestly, I didn't even see them on the Boots website. So this is a pom pom from the Kendall Kylie collection, and I saw this and I was like, this looks so cute. They had a couple of different shades of this, but I really like the black one. So I'm trying to see if I can get it out so I can actually show you what it looks like. And for some reason, this box does not want to open. But this was reduced from £6.50 to £3.25. And for a pom-pom for my bag, I am not going to complain for £3. So this is what the pom-pom looks like. It's just so cute. It has these little ears on here. You can attach it to your keys. You can attach it to your bag. And it feels so good. It feels nice and plump as well. And I am going to be cutting off the tags right here because this is just too big for this pom-pom. But this is just so cute, and I paid £3 for it. And I also got some more expensive things from the Boots sale, and the first one is this benefit gift set, which is Sweeten Buttercup, and this is one of the gift sets that I wanted for Christmas. The other one I wanted was right there, and my mum got it for me for Christmas, which was in my what I got for Christmas video, which I will link down below or somewhere in this video for you so you can check it out. But in this gift set you get a makeup bag, and you also get a full-size professional, full-size gimme brow in the shade 3, which is my shade, which is perfect. You get a mini hula, and then you also get a full-size bad girl bang. And in both of my sets I've had a full-size professional and full-size bad girl bang. This is my favourite mascara. I'm wearing it at the moment. I've been wearing it pretty much non-stop for the last couple of months. It is just so good, and the fact that you get a makeup bag in there is really good as well, especially for travel, or also because I tend to do my makeup in different rooms in my house, so it's good to be able to just put everything in one bag. And this set was reduced from about £35 down to £23.99, so I saved a lot of money, and it actually worked out that I think that's cheaper than any of the full-size products, and the fact that you get 3 full-size products in here, I have saved a lot of money. And the last thing that I got is a gift set from Smashbox, and this is the Holidays Be Legendary Lipstick and Lip Mattifier set, and this is what it looks like. So it's usually £39, but I got it for £25.99, so I saved about a third on it, and it's actually worth £97. Now these are all full-size lipsticks that they have. They also have all of these shades, I believe, in the normal collection as well. Then you also get a mini mattifier as well. And I think that's really good because you can have lipsticks that are sort of like a glossy finish, and then you can also make them matte, which I think is so good. Also, there are so many different shades in here. Usually for a holiday gift set, they only really do the reds or the bright pinks in there, but this you have loads. A nude pink, a nude, you have red, bright pink and purple, and I love every single shade in here. They just look so good. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like, but I was shocked when I saw this for £25 because usually each of these lipsticks are about £20 anyway, and I believe that I saw the one that I wanted and I was like, oh, it's about £20, and I saw this set and I was like, this set has the lipstick that I wanted in there. So this is the Instamatte that you get in here, which is supposed to make every lipstick mattified, but you can't use it on glosses, so you can use it on all of these lipsticks and lipsticks that are around the same consistency. So the first shade that I have is Deal Breaker, and this is a beautiful purple shade. It's just perfect for the holidays, perfect for winter and autumn. And Pretty Social, which is like a pinky nude shade. This is just stunning. I'm going to be wearing this a hell of a lot because these are the type of colours that I go for. The next one is the shade Legendary, and this is a bright red shade. I've heard this is supposed to be good for every single skin tone. The next one is Honey, and this is the shade that I'm wearing at the moment. This is a nude. This is absolutely stunning. Now I do have very pale skin, so it is looking quite dark on my skin at the moment, but if you do have darker skin, it's going to be a true nude for you. It is just a stunning shade and I've just fallen in love with it. And the last shade that I have is 9 to 5, and this is like a bright pink shade. It's sort of like a bright rosy pink, and I also love the packaging on here as well. So it's a special holiday packaging, and they usually only have one shade of the packaging in the usual collection, but this is really good. So that's everything that I got in the New Year and January sales, and I love every single product that I got. I was shocked that I managed to find all of these because online they're pretty much all sold out anyway, and I managed to find some really good things that I'm so excited to try out. So if there's anything that you got from the January sales or the Christmas sales, just comment down below to let me know. And I hope that you enjoy this video, and make sure to give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys.